desk you left. Half a joke in a blue text thread. Your jacket's still on the back of the chair, like you just